Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to find permission manager in your Samsung phone. So at first just swipe from top to bottom. Now from here tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. After that scroll down, then go to security and privacy. Now from here scroll down again and then go to more privacy settings. After that scroll down again and at the bottom you can find permission manager. From here you can allow or deny apps to access features or data in your phone. Then just tap on permission manager and that's it. Here you can find your all the permission in your phone. You can see body sensors, calendar, call logs, camera, contacts. You can also find location, microphone, photos, SMS. You can also find notifications here and you can enable or disable this permission access from here. Suppose if you want to block your contacts permission, just tap on contacts. Now from here you have to choose any app. If I select this, then you have to just select don't allow from here and that's it. And that is how you can find permission manager in your Samsung phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.